Hi there, this is Marcel from Wopee.io. I would like to show you our latest version of autonomous testing. This is actually third generation. Uh, if you were using the previous version, you probably remember this crawling functionality. So we still keep collecting the data from app you would like to test using crawler. But on top of that, we built completely new for AI agents, which help us to improve the efficiency of testing. So let me show you how it works. So once you have this, then you can, these are the images we collected from your website. And once you have it, you can just navigate to our agents. And from there, there is also alternative option. Instead of crawling, if the application is not available yet, you can use something like Figma files or other mockups. And once that's done, you start with generating some user stories. In my previous example, I was playing with this special requirements. So I adjusted the user stories by additional prompt. So I've got that in Portuguese. But typically, when you start, there is not such a extra prompt, and you just click on generate button, and you are getting suggested user stories. This usually takes 12 to 15 seconds. It depends on the infrastructure load, and then you are getting the user stories. Once you have it, from there we generate test cases. I will keep the additional prompt here for the demo purposes in the future, so I will push it back. But once you have it, you run the test cases, same approach, additional prompt possible, and you are getting test cases. If you are not happy with that, you can tweak it either by adding the additional prompts specific requirements, or you can even add extra scenarios or manipulate the existing ones. You can add additional steps and so on. So once you finish with the test cases and you have it prepared, you can start with the fourth and last agent currently available and decide whether this will be completely no code. Then you generate the drafts test suite into the runs. So everything will be automated, but you are not touching code at all. And you navigate back to the runs, and you can see that there is already this drafted for you. Then you just select the tests and run them all. And you are getting the results. Another option in agents is that that you generate the Playwright code, so you can later play with it or manipulate it in a way you prefer, and you are getting Playwright code. So once this is done, you could then run it and get back the results into runs tab. Or another approach might be that you just upload the code into GitHub repository, which is connected to the projects via this button, and you can then work with them independently from Wopee. You can fully control the code, manipulate it, and integrate it into your existing project. So that's it from the first early preview. If you are interested in more details, I would like to invite you to be one of our first users, and just contact me and we can discuss details.